Taking a video. Yeah. Are you talking to us, Madeline? You want to talk to your grandma? Yeah. You want to talk to grandma? This doesn't sound like a story. Tell me a story. Tell me a story. Oh, quiet. Are you going to talk a lot? When you get bigger, are you going to talk a lot? I think so. I think you are going to talk a lot. Hopefully not so much when you're a teenager.